Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the exercise self-practice 1.1D. So let's see question number 1. Refill a tank with water using a rubber hose at 8 to 11. So we draw the tank. Okay, the tank. You can draw any shape you like. So from 8 to 11, okay, it take about 3 hours. So this is actually time. So Lee discovers the tank is filled up with 48% of water. The 48% water is the volume. 48% is the volume. So that means the volume change with the time, right? So let's say this is a water. We have 48%. So we can say volume actually varies directly with the time. And volume is equal to constant times the time. And then 48%, it takes 3 hours. That means the constant, okay, is 16% per hour, right? 1 hour is 16%. So the unit is very important. So how you are going to write the answer for A is you have to, okay, let's write the answer properly. The answer is write an equation that relates the volume, okay, that is filled into the tank with the time. So it's 16T. So that means you have to substitute 16 into here. Okay, this is the relationship for the time and the volume. Okay, so after that we need to solve for part B. So let's see what the question asking by part B. Okay, at what time will the tank fill with water? Fully. Okay, fully. The keyword is full. Okay, so the tank just now, right, we have a water tank like this. Okay, so the water is going to fill into the tank, right, this. So we actually take 3 hours to fill 48% of the water, 3 hours, right? So if let's say we want to find the time, just now from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., okay, we have filled up the water until 48%. Now we still have the remaining of 52% because the 100% it means a fully filled with the water. So we need to find the time to, okay, taken to fill up another 52%, right? So just now the relationship is V equal to 16T. So now 52% is 16T. So we need to find the time taken to fill up another 52%. So if you press a calculator, you will get 3 and a quarter hour, right? So bear in mind that this is in hour, so we have to convert to minutes because the question is asking for time and not for the duration, so the time. Okay, from 11 we need another 3 hour and quarter. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 quarter hour is 15 minutes. So this is 3 hours and 15 minutes. So from 11 a.m. we take another 3 hours and 15 minutes. So it means that we will have the tank fully filled with water at time 11 plus 1 is 12, and then another 2 hours 15. So the time taken is the time is actually 2:15 p.m. right, to fill with the water. The tank will fill with water. Okay, understand? So you need to really understand the question. So this is the answer for B at time 2:15 p.m. Alright, so let me write the answer for you. So you have to show the proper calculation, okay, working to support your answer, right? So this one is 2:15 p.m. This is V equal to 16t. Okay, we have solved number 1. Let's solve number 2. Amina wants to cut a few triangles, okay, from a piece of card. It's given that the area of the card is A, varies with the base X and Y. So we'll write area vary with the base, okay, XY, and then based on the information given, we will find the K, right? A equal to K XY. So A is 14, K is the one that we need to find, 7 and 4. So from there we can say that K is 14 over 28, so we have 1 over 2. So then we can say that the relation between the area is 1 over 2 xy, right? Okay, then for B, how to do B? For B, we need to Amina plans to cut the second triangle with a value of base increase by how many percent? 20%, right? Okay, so just now the answer is 1 over 2 xy. Now the base increased by 20%, meaning that just now the base was 7, okay, the triangle like this, and then the height was 4 and area was 14. Now the base increased 20%, so 7 centimeter, right? 7 centimeter increased by 20% plus the original 7%. So it's actually the same if you take 120 percent times 7. So it's 8.4, right, centimeter. And then the height decreased by 10%. So decrease, you can actually take 4 minus 10% of the 4, right? Or you can take 90% times 4, which is 3.6, right? Okay, so this is the triangle after the changes. So now the question is find the percentage of changes of the area. So we need to find the area for the new triangle, right? So let's find the area. It's 1 over 2 times 8.4 times 3.6. So let's press the calculator. 8.4 times 3.6 divided by 2. So the answer is 15.12 centimeter square. So the question asks the percentage of the changes. So this is a new area. The question didn't ask for new area. They want the changes. So we have to show how it changed from the 14, which is the original one, then to the new one. So percentage of the changes you can find using the new one minus the original one over the original one times with a 100%. Okay, times with a 100%. So the answer is times with a 100%. So minus 11 over 14 times 100. So let's see, 15 minus, this is 14, sorry. Again, 15 minus 12 minus 14 over 14 times 100%. So the answer is 8%, right? Okay, this is the percentage increase, which is 8% increase if the base increased by 120% and the height decreased by 10%. So the area will increase by 10%. Alright, understand? Okay, so I'm going to discuss another one, which is question number 3. This is hot question. So let's see how to do. Question number 3 is quite challenging. So let's understand the question first. Alright, so the pizza shop sells 3 sizes of different prices, okay, of the pizza on the right. The price of the pizza varies directly as the surface area, 8 centimeters square of the pizza. If it does not, then which size of pizza is worth buying? So in order to solve the question like this, you have to actually work out a table to find the relationship between the surface area for coin. Let's say this is B, this is C. Okay, we want to know the price is changed compared to the surface area, right? So what you need to do is you have to find the surface area for each of the pizza. So as this is a circle, so the A is pi times 7.5 square, right? For B is pi times. If you want to do comparison, you must find the value for the area for all the pizza, right? So 7.5 square, what you get? You got 56.25 pi. You can write 56.25 pi, or you can times with the pi from the calculator, but I think I will just remain as how many pi. So 11.5 square is actually 132.25 pi, and the last one is 15 square. I will get 225 pi. So this is the surface area. Okay, you can times with the calculator pi for the surface area. If I times will be 56.25 times shift pi from the calculator, I will get 176.71. Then this one is actually 132, right? Okay, 132. 115 square pi. I have 132. This is 3.25 pi times with the pi from the calculator. I will get 415.48. Alright, 415.48. Then 225 times the pi from the calculator, I will get 706.86. Right. Now, in order to prove that, or to identify whether they are actually varies directly or not, we need to find the constant. Remember, if all the constants are the same, that means they vary directly. So I'm going to take 12 divided by 176.71 and 25 over 415.48, and then 35 over 706.86. So I try to work out the constant. Okay, so 12 over 176.71, right? 0.71. So I'm getting 0.068. Okay, so for A, I'm getting K, which is 0. Okay, I write down here. Okay, here is the constant that I find. I'm not sure they are the same. So if it is a direct variation, they must have the same constant. So it seems like the first one is 0.068. Second one is 25 over 415.48. So I'm getting 0.0601. And the last one, 35 over 706.86. So I'm getting 0.0495. So it seems like they are not common. I cannot find a constant. They are not the same. So they are not constant, they are not the same. Since k the k are not the same, so the conclusion is price of pizza does not vary directly with the surface or the area of the pizza, right? Okay, does not. Okay, does not. So that's how you support your answer, by find the constant. If you find the k, they are not the same, that means it does not vary directly. Okay, understand? So hence our conclusion is we have to justify our answer based on the constant between the surface area and the price of the pizza, right? Okay, so then each one is worth buying. So as you can see, when I take the price over the area, it means that the value here is meaning that 1 centimeter square, the price of 1 centimeter square is, for A is 6.8 cent. For B is 0.06 cent for B, and for C is just 0.0495 cent for C. So if they are having the same surface area, 1 centimeter square, and the price are not the same, so of course if you are smart customer, you will choose this one, right? Because 1 centimeter square of the area of the pizza, you just need to spend, the price is 0.0495 cent, right? So pizza C is worth by, all right? So that's how you justify your answer, by showing the proper step. Okay, so I think all these are very good questions that involving high order thinking. So I really hope that you try to do as many as possible. All right, so till then, I will share with you more hot questions in my next coming video. Bye bye and have a nice day.